Hello everybody, welcome to another video. We start this one off in the rain again. We're just coming round this bend up here and there's a lorry that's just bouncing off the pavement here, which it happens sometimes. There's a keep clear right in front of me. I'm turning right and he's going straight on. Now that's a bit tight, so there's no point in me going in that gap. Make it difficult for both of us. There's just no point in doing it, so just hold back. I've passed the keep clear. So if we go to the rear camera now, everyone else has done the right thing and missed the keep clear. But what we're looking at here is this red car here. For some reason, I don't know what he sees that no one else sees. He goes round the outside. I could understand if it is going my way, but he's not. He's going straight on. He's not turning right. So he's cutting everybody up. He's moved up 2 cars to get there and blocked the keep clear. Unfortunately, I was playing music, so I had to take it off because it was quite entertaining listening to all the horns going off. But he don't care. He got 2 cars in front. Now in this clip, we're in Sutton, where people are very special. I did actually call this guy something else though. What a fucking idiot. What a fucking idiot. There's something seriously wrong with that one. Now in this clip, over there's a right turn only lane. Now behind it there's hatched markings, which you are allowed to use. On this sort of occasion, this is what they're meant to be for. To stop you blocking up the road, so you're allowed to drive into them on this sort of scenario. Why they haven't just extended it to be a right turn only lane, I do not know. It doesn't make any sense. But this guy has not got a clue that I'm behind him. Could you move up a little bit? No? How about move up? Move up! How about move up? Move up! Can't get in the lane, move up! These people just haven't got a clue what's going on around them. They've got a front window and that is it. That's all they see. I'm collecting things and coming home. Now in this clip you'll see some aggressive driving. We're looking over to the right up in front there. Someone just comes round the bend, drives completely on the wrong side of the road, pretty much straight at me. Now the camera doesn't do it justice, it does it more from the rear, as you'll see the sort of gap that she leaves me. No sort of hesitation, and I'm almost touching the pavement because she can't slow down.
Maybe that going forward, players will be asked to make declarations and sign waivers so they find themselves being consequenced. Clubs won't have to pick up wages in the interim period, and transfer fees will be insulated by some form of protection, albeit that's a difficult.
Now why? I'm pretty sure there's a learner in there. Why are you in the outside lane?
He's had a gambling problem. Yeah, and also.
Now I do have quite a few instructors that subscribe to the channel. If you're one of them, can you let us know why a learner would be in the outside lane entering the Mad Mile here? As far as I know, there's no test routes on the Mad Mile. I might be wrong. Put me right on that as well, please. As you can see, it's held up the traffic quite a bit. Was it one of them things, I'm going to let you do it wrong and tell you what you did wrong afterwards? I don't think I've seen so many people go through red lights as I have in the last 3 or 4 months. It seems to be the new trend. We're looking at this red Mini next to me. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to see why it's driving so poorly, but you will be able to hear me say it live. You just changed lanes without indicating or fuck all. You almost did it on the turning itself. Fucking useless. Where do these people get their fucking licenses from? It's basic stuff. You're going to stay in that lane, are you? Oh, he's on the fucking phone. That's why. He's on the phone. So we've just seen him not use his right indicator changing lanes, and now we're going to see his left indicator not being used, turning left. At least he's consistently bad. Now in this clip, we're approaching a roundabout, and as everybody knows...
Roundabout, Jay! Give way to the fucking left!
Yet again. Is it so hard to understand that you give way to the right hand side? So nothing happens really in this clip. It's just a bit of a tip to give you here about Audi drivers. Yep, always an Audi. We got one here on the right hand side. Now, there it is there. The stop line is there. So that gap in front of it is a danger area. Either fill it up, or better still, stay on your stop line or behind your stop line even. Because people will go round you. They don't on this occasion, but normally people will go round that gap because you've left an opportunity for them. Fill it up or stay back, one or the other. But in true Audi fashion, it keeps everyone waiting while it turns right. And I meant to say give way lines, not stop lines there, okay? Before anyone jumps on the message board, they're give way lines. Now in this clip, as you can see, I'm just about to turn into Epsom Hospital. I'm going to A&E. Not me personally, but the guy in the back of my car is in quite a lot of pain actually, and I've got it on silent because he is actually moaning quite a bit. Not at me, he's just moaning in pain. Now, I can't get down to where the ambulances go down here because there's two people walking in the road. There's a pedestrian bit there, but they're walking in the road. Now, I do find it kind of funny that they're walking away from A&E. Who had the accident? Well, their parents did. There's accident number 1 and there's accident number 2. Now, for the life of me, I don't know how ambulances are supposed to get down here at the moment. Not with people like that, and with the cars here, with the roadworks down here. How are they supposed to get down here? And I just want to show you accident number 1 and accident number 2 to just show you what selfish people they really are. As you can see, they're in no rush to get onto the pavement after keeping everyone waiting. When they finally do get on the pavement, you see a person walking towards them. Have they got the brains to walk single file? No, they haven't. The person walking towards them has to walk into the road to go round them. How selfish can you get? Broken Britain, I showed you that in the last video. As you saw, I did have to reverse because I can't see round corners and I was blocking up this zebra crossing. So I did reverse, but no one is going to let me go. No one here. Anyway, I don't know why this car is driving so slow. I could have gone if it had gone past me, but no, he took his time. God knows why. And remember, while all this is going on, I've got a guy in the back of my car who's almost crying in pain. So, yeah, not the best. That needs to be sorted, Epsom Hospital. Now in this clip, we're looking at the Nissan in front of us, who urgently needs an eye test or a driving test, one or the other. He starts off in this lane. He pops over to the inside lane. He pops back out into lane 2, which we're turning right. We have priority. It's like a big roundabout, but it stops. Oh, you idiot. Come on. See the giveaway lines there to the left hand side? Bit of a giveaway that. Now, there's roadworks coming up here. It's driving straight towards them. Can you not see that? Neither. What are you looking at? Someone needs an eye test there. Bloody hell. Now we come to someone else who needs an eye test. Probably doesn't need an eye test, he's just a bully boy in a big lorry. It's a roundabout, and as we've always said, priority to traffic approaching from the right.
Arsehole.
Now in this clip we're looking at the Kia in front of us. Well, it's just to our left now. You can't really see it, but she's on the phone. I'll zoom in as far as I can without it going all blurry, but look at the head all over the place.
I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. Her head is up and down like a yo-yo. Obviously on the phone. You can just see it in the mirror. Put your phone down now in drive, yeah?
Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.